A research published in the Ghana Policy Journal suggests maize farmers can lose up to 41% of the yields by 2050 due to the unpredictability of weather patterns. The journal, which was launched by the IEA, contains 5 research papers on the negative implications of climate change on agriculture and how governments can mitigate these effects.
The study, conducted in Tamale and Ejura, assessed the development of maize crops in rising temperatures, increased carbon dioxide, soil properties, as well as farm practices. The study suggests adopting the use of maize varieties that are tolerant to heat and drought will help minimize the losses that may arise.
What they find at the end of the exercise is that climate change will result in a reduction of the grain yield of maize by between 19 to 41%. So the most pessimistic forecast is that it will be about 90%, but I think it depends on several variables, but it could range as high as 41%. So that's the grain itself. Now the biomass, which is the other parts of the maize plant, will also decline by 11 to 33%. Now biomass is very important because it's used as crop residue, and in some places they use the biomass also to produce fuel. So that will also decrease by between 11 to 33%.
Since majority of smallholder farmers depend on rain, they tend to record low yields when the rains fail.
What this paper does is they review the current trends in climate and agriculture in Ghana. Within the wet season, they are observing some dry periods. Obviously, these changes will adversely affect crop productivity. And the reason why this occurs is that farmers think that the rains are going to start at a certain period of time, so they sow the seeds. Now, once they sow the seeds, if there's a delay in the rains, it means that the seeds will decline in terms of the viability of the seeds. We need to invest in irrigation because that's one of the solutions to the variability in the rains. If there's a source of irrigation, that can guarantee water throughout the growing season.
According to Professor Asafo Ajayi, the journal is to guide the formulation of relevant policies that will improve and sustain Ghana's food production capacity. Since Ghana lies within the tropical zone, it is projected it will be most vulnerable to extreme weather changes as a result of climate change. Government is therefore being encouraged to support agricultural research and also invest in weather forecasting.